Hey there, crafty people! This is going to be a really easy one. Start by folding the paper diagonally. Unfold it and fold over the other diagonal. And fold it horizontally into half. And fold it again into half. Unfold it, flip it over. You should have something like this. Now start by pushing the diagonal edges inside and collapse the creases like so. Make sure you have this pointy edge, the closed edge at the top, and the bottom edges will have the open folds. Now take this left corner and fold it over, not the center, but a little below it. It might look like that I'm folding it over the center, but not actually. And now fold this top corner from right here downwards like so, and the crease will run up to the right corner. Press it firmly, and then you're gonna unfold the whole thing. And as you can see, the paper doesn't have very symmetrical foldings, so make sure you have this diagonal edge on the right side and then reverse the crease. Make the right corner stand up. It's gonna take some practice and some time, please don't fret. Right, when you have done that, we are going to reinforce the creases we have just made. Please follow along how I'm doing here, and if you can't, pause the video, rewind, slow down the speed. Right, by the end of it you should have something looking like this. Right, and now collapse the right edges like so, hold it between your fingers and then gently push it inside. Do the same thing on the other side. And you're just one step away from the barking dog. Right, with this left point, you're gonna open it up a little and fold it up like so. And just make an arbitrary fold, you know. There's nothing to follow there, no lines. And that's it. See how easy it was. Some of you might think that it wasn't easy, but let me tell you, just doing it once or twice, you get the hang of it. Thanks for watching, have a good day.